Welcome to the Wabi-Sabi Garden, where imperfection tells a story, and every stone and leaf whispers calm and natural beauty. In this minimalist Zen space, every element has purpose, inviting peace and reflection. Autumn paints the garden with fleeting beauty, reminding us to cherish each moment. Walking through the bamboo grove, feel the gentle rustle and the quiet strength of nature. The koi glide gracefully, embodying patience and harmony in this tranquil Japanese garden. Evening descends and the lantern casts a warm glow, creating a meditative space for the soul. Spring awakens the garden with cherry blossoms reminding us of beauty and impermanence. The rock garden teaches simplicity, balance, and the elegance of nature's quiet design. Misty mornings in the garden offer mystery and serenity, a world apart from daily chaos. The tea garden guides you on a gentle path, where each step is mindful and deliberate. Under the moonlight, the garden transforms into a quiet sanctuary where reflections deepen inner calm. The autumn bridge invites you to cross into tranquility, where nature's colors inspire contemplation. Even in winter's quiet, the garden speaks of stillness, purity, and serene beauty. The gentle waterfall sings with the bamboo, reminding us of life's steady and soothing flow. Walking this lantern-lit path, every step becomes a mindful journey into peace. The tea house garden is a retreat where simplicity and nature harmonize perfectly. The Karasansui garden shows that even in stillness, there is profound movement and balance. Reflections on the water mirror the serenity of the garden, calming mind and soul. Spring fills the garden with color and life, reminding us of renewal and fleeting beauty. The stone lantern stands quietly, a symbol of guidance and timeless elegance. A hidden corner invites quiet reflection, a private sanctuary amidst nature's embrace. The winding path teaches patience and discovery, every turn revealing new beauty. Even fallen petals show grace, reminding us that imperfection is part of beauty. Passing through the garden gate is entering a world of calm and mindful presence. Nature stretches beyond the garden, a reminder of the vastness and harmony surrounding us. The fog softens the bamboo, creating a dreamlike path that calms and inspires. Each step takes you higher, both physically and spiritually, into quiet contemplation. Autumn leaves remind us of change and beauty in every passing moment. The koi and lanterns together create a peaceful dance of light and life. A simple meditation spot where breath and nature unite, calming mind and spirit. Evening lights and blossoms merge, offering a serene conclusion to the garden's story. The gentle stream carries the whispers of spring, connecting every corner of the garden with life and sound. Moss teaches patience and serenity, a soft green blanket for the soul. Walking under the bamboo arch, one feels embraced by nature's gentle rhythm. The stone bridge invites reflection, a place to pause and admire life's simple beauty. The lantern by the pond lights the way, symbolizing guidance in quiet moments. Spring awakens the tea garden, blending blossoms, stones, and the promise of calm. Every line in the sand holds intention, showing the elegance of simplicity. Autumn colors cascade with the water, a living painting of seasonal beauty. Reflections mirror fleeting beauty, reminding us of the impermanence of life. Moonlight through bamboo stalks creates a serene, almost magical atmosphere. A secret retreat, where the garden invites quiet moments of mindfulness. Winter's quiet transforms the garden into a canvas of peace and stillness. Walking the blossom path, every step is filled with fleeting beauty and serenity. A perfect spot for meditation where nature and mind find harmony. The lanterns guide the way, creating a path of calm and reflection. The koi move gracefully, teaching patience and gentle beauty in motion. Mist softens the bamboo, creating a dreamlike, peaceful passage. A quiet bench invites pause, a moment to breathe and take in the autumn's splendor. The gentle fountain reminds us of life's quiet persistence and rhythm. Twilight casts a serene glow, blending blossoms and fading light into calm. Each step leads higher, both in the garden and in mindful reflection. The lantern's reflection mirrors the serenity and timelessness of the garden. Autumn colors dance on the water, showing nature's fleeting yet perfect moments. Even fallen petals bring grace, showing imperfection as a form of beauty. Passing through the gate is stepping into peace, a journey of quiet reflection. Lanterns illuminate the bamboo path, guiding footsteps with gentle warmth. blooms surround the pond, filling the garden with color and life. The rock arrangement embodies balance, simplicity, and timeless Zen beauty. Evening descends gently, turning the tea garden into a quiet sanctuary of calm.